Hi, my name is Judith, and I am here for the second time on retreat to try to heal from several conditions that were long occurring and misdiagnosed for years. The first one was mold exposure, and the second one was Lyme disease with Bartonellosis and Babesia. I also caught COVID, and it turned into long COVID due to my circumstances of having Lyme for so long. That was undiagnosed and misdiagnosed. I also have had Epstein-Barr. And so when I came, I had done quite a bit of work already on trying to eat really well in my life, but was not seeing the results completely. Knowing my potential, I have a strong body, but yet I experienced a lot of debilitating pains and aches and some neurological symptoms and heart issues, especially after COVID, that were quite painful. And actually one resulted in a hole in my heart that has now been resolved thanks to dry fasting. So the reason I'm back is that healing can't be done all at once, at least for me, and everyone's journey is very different. And some people might get results the first time for something that's smaller, and some people need more than one. I have learned quite a bit about healing, even more than I ever thought I could, by starting off on this journey of educating. So the 21-day program for me was very educational, and doing the cleansings helped, and I prepared by doing 1 day, 2 day, then eventually a 3 day, and then a 5 day fast at home. And then eventually last year I came and did a 9 day. And then I've taken breaks at home in between work and did 7 days, another 9 day, another 5 day, another 7 day, and this time a 7 day, due to some family situation that arose during the retreat. But, you know, what I have found is that they offer here really a lot of tools and education that you can select for your healing. And of course, I really believe after following the protocols that it's best to heed their instructions, because they're coming, the whole team is coming, you know, with 50 plus years of knowledge, which is unheard of. They can answer questions about what's happening for the most part when it's happening, and they take good care of me. I have a lot of trust in them. I'm also I have a couple careers going, but one of them has been a long-standing massage therapy practice, and I haven't been practicing lately because of my body symptoms since COVID. But what I can say is that even the quality of the massages, the way they go in deep into your tissues, and they really know what's going on. They're sensing with their hands. The whole team is coordinated. Everyone from, you know, the doctor, Anna, the translator, who does a million things, and the whole massage therapy team, everyone is on paying attention to what is happening, tuning in, and also trying to give you space, because I've never felt forced to do anything. It's like, do you want to do it or not? That's it. It's very simple. Like, there's always a choice, and there's always a subtlety around healing, whether it's here or somewhere else. It's about tuning into your own body and really figuring out what you need, because that need could change from month to month, year to year, you know, depending on what's happening. And it's also tricky because sometimes our minds, when we're dry fasting, don't want to let us keep dry fasting. So that tuning in is subtle and powerful. And I've just seen all kinds of things in my own body be reversed, and according to the blood work as well. I don't think blood work is always the best standard, but it has yielded for me the result of no more anemia, macrolytic anemia, which was getting serious, no more white blood cells that are immature and could be causing other problems in the future, and no more hole in the heart. And those are all concrete results that I have, including from an echocardiogram. So I don't know if it's all done for me at this point, and at this point it doesn't matter anymore because I feel really grateful just to have these big improvements. And when things start to slide back, I know I just have to be disciplined. I had disease for 30 years before someone listened. And it's a miracle, given where I was physically many years ago with the horror stories I have, that I'm still here. So I'm thankful to have incremental changes and to be able to have another day on earth. And, you know, if I need to do this again, even on my own, do it again. And I feel like I keep coming out stronger and stronger each time. So I'm learning a couple languages right now for fun. I'm doing math for fun. And those are things that I would never have said a few years ago. So I walk every day and I swim. And I live a very clean lifestyle. And for some people, that's really hard, but I really value my health and my longevity. So I'm really appreciative of the whole team here and all the education and medical care that I've gotten.